Okay, so here we are walking out of the parking area of the L&A dark sky viewing area. The new light fence is awesome. Totally blocks off all light from cars coming in and out and from the highway. A nice sign moved over and also some nice clear entrances. The guest book is still in there along with some handouts. And here we are. So the area on the left is the original. The COVID circles were added after COVID came in, and that's the new expanded platform there. This is a north indicator. There's Terry's dedication, Terry Dickinson. And this is a little storage area that will soon have solar panels, battery, and provide power for out here. You can see the conduits that are not yet installed around the outside perimeter on the eastern side. And there's some signage. Lennox and Addington dark sky viewing area. Terrence Dickinson observation deck. Washrooms. So quite nice. They say they often get hundreds of people here, which you can just only imagine is very, very crowded. We've only been here during daytime events, never during the nighttime. But you could easily fit 30 or 40 people comfortably, I think. And I'm just standing on a little bit of a rock. You can see a little bit of the highway over there. Okay, so this is it. Should be a great experience. They just had the first session of the year, April 14, 15, Friday, Saturday. There are no garbage cans anywhere, so you've got to take out what you bring in. And there is one porta potty here, but unfortunately today it's a little full and a little dirty. They haven't really cleaned it out much. And there we go. Say goodbye to the L&A dark sky viewing area.